going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So I get DMs from you guys, and again, why I make these videos is I'm trying to respond to all your guys' DMs in a video because it's easier and I can respond to multiple people. So we're gonna start off with the first thing that you guys asked me. Eddie, am I military? No, I'm not military. This was sent to me by one of my subscribers, and this flag has a lot of meaning to it by me and to him, mainly to him. So that's why I have it here hanging in my garage. Now let's get started with this video. So you guys asked me 5 things, Eddie, if you had to pick 5 things, what do you hate about this Duramax? Well, there's not too many things I hate about old girl over here. I mean, I bought her because I like a lot of things, but now, do I like everything? No, I do not. I cannot blame you guys. There are some things I like. The main thing, I should say number 1 thing that I hate about my Duramax, or GM in general, and I'm sure you guys are gonna know, and a lot of you people are gonna agree, is why does GM put these stupid square fenders right here? A tire is round, GM. Tires are not square. Why? I don't know if they do it to, you know, keep it looking like a box or what, but I wish GM and, you know, Chevy, you know, GMC would make round fenders, you know, like what a tire. I mean, it's simple math, guys. You know, it's what I'm like teaching my kid now. Circle goes in a circle. Well, this square should not have a circle in it. So that's my main pickiest thing right there. What I hate about GM is why they did that. Number 2, I wish, and before I finish this, you guys keep asking me for these stickers. I made these mainly for my truck. They were not for sale, but you guys are asking me and keep DMing me, Eddie, where's the link? How do I purchase them? The website is not up yet, but if you guys do want to purchase the stickers, just DM me down below. You'll see my Instagram pop up right here for you guys. But let's get back to what I don't like about this thing. So number 2 is the mirrors. I love the mirrors. I love how they are up and down like this. I love the lights. I wish that GM would make them electric like they did back in, I want to say, like 2003, I think it was. I don't remember, or 4, where it looked like a big slinky and it would come out. Now, is it a big deal that you have to, you know, pull it out like this? No, it's not, but I can't tell you how many times, how you doing? I have hooked up my trailer and, you know, got it ready, got it out in the driveway, and then forgot to pull the dang mirrors out. And I'll be driving, I'm like, oh man, it's crazy. And, you know, usually I'm going to the desert by myself, so I can put the driver one out, I can't put the passenger out. The passenger went out, and sometimes when I do have a passenger with me, they can barely push it out from the window. So that's, I mean, it's not a hate, I should say, it's a dislike, one thing I don't like. I just wish they would go back to the electric mirrors like Ford does. One thing I love about the Fords is I wish, you know, GM had the electric mirrors just like the Fords. But one thing I really don't like about, well, there's a lot of things I don't like about Ford, but we're not going to get into that. But the mirrors on the Ford, I wish they made them like a square, like how GM, you know, how they make it just like a square right here. Ford has like that little, like, it goes like, the Ford ones, like they come like this, and then they're like cut down right here, and then they go. I wish they would make it just a nice square. Not sure why they had to cut it, but that's number 2 things that I don't like about this truck. Number 3, and they did fix this problem, so technically, you know, I mean, it's fixed now, but it is something I don't like about on my truck, is the AC seats. So these AC seats right here, they work really, really good. I don't know if you guys can see this. This camera zooms in on it, but, or focuses on it. But these AC seats right here, if you notice, there's not a fan, and it doesn't say, you know, it doesn't have a little fan thing. This actually says AC right there on the button here. So now, one good thing about these seats is they work great. They're amazing. You know, they get your booty cold. But now, when it's hot and the booty is trying to get cold, the person behind you is cooking their butt off. Why? Because the heat, when you turn those AC seats out, come out right here. And I believe they fixed this on the 16. I think only the 15 and 15 and a half has this truck. This is the 15 and a half. It has this vent coming out of there. And I can't stand that. I wish, you know, GM would get rid of that. Well, they finally did, but I wish they never even brought it. Like, that's a horrible idea. Why would, you know, you have hot air coming out of the back? That never made sense to me. I don't know why, but that's the 3rd thing that I don't like about this truck. Now, the 4th thing is where they put the def tank on these things. Now, This truck is a special diesel, so there is no def tank on my special diesel here. And yeah, look at it. Look how dirty she is. I drove her in the rain. But yeah, she does not have a def tank. And again, finally GM, you know, fixed it and got rid of that stupid problem. I put the def tank hanging down there. Like, it's like, come on, GM. Like, why? Did that look good to you guys? When you guys designed that, did you guys design that and say, wow, you know, that looks like a great spot for it? Or did the designer knew he was gonna get fired, or it was on a Friday and just said, yeah, this is fine right here, we'll leave it here? Because I know that nobody in this world thinks that was a good spot for GM. Now, finally, GM, thank you guys. 2020, you know, you guys finally got rid of it. I don't know why it took you that long to get rid of that tank, but I mean, doesn't matter to me. But I'm glad it's gone, and the people that are gonna purchase these new trucks don't gotta worry about that stupid thing hanging down below. And last but not, actually yes, this is last. There's no least. This is the last thing I hate about it. The camera. The camera quality on the navigation. This is what I'm talking about right here. So the quality on this screen, and when you're like backing up, I don't care what any GM owner says, it's horrible. GM and Ford, I think, have the worst resolution cameras in the world. The Dodge is incredible. The Dodge is so smooth. It literally, like, it looks like it's HD, and I wish they would put a little bigger screen in these things. You know, like even the new 2020 GM, they didn't really change too much of the interior. Dodge, you know, they did beautiful. They put this massive screen in there. Ford, same thing, you know. So I wish they would put, mainly for the fit thing, is just put a better quality camera on these trucks, because mainly people are using these reverse cameras to back up, you know, their horse trailer or fifth wheel or whatever, you know, tow behind. And it's nice to actually see the ball, you know, where on this camera it's blurry. It's not clear. You can't see it clearly. And also you can't even zoom in. That's another thing I like about the Ford. The Ford's got the little plus where you can zoom in on the hitch. So where, yeah, the Ford camera sucks, but you can at least zoom in and see it, you know, closer than you can. I believe the Dodge does that too, but the Dodge is extremely clear. Dodge, you guys did a great job with your reverse camera. And also, guys, yes, stay tuned. These tires are coming back out. The Can-Am is coming out of the trailer. These tires are going back on. Well, just stay tuned. You guys will see it, I'm sure, on the Instagram. If you guys have not already, follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at duramaxking2500. You'll see it pop up, bam, right there. And we got something going on this weekend that we're pretty lucky. So we got to get the Can-Am out of the trailer. Got to put these tires on. Well, and we're going somewhere, guys. Stay tuned. I cannot tell you where we're going yet, but stay tuned. You're going to find out where we're going, and you're going to enjoy it, and hopefully we make it a good and crazy. I don't want to give you no more information. That's all the information I'm going to give you guys right now, because I don't want to blow it. You know, you guys are going to enjoy it. So those are just a quick 5 things, just a quick little video for you guys, so I don't have to answer all of you guys one by one of the DM. And then you guys ask me, what are the, you know, 5 things or some things you love about the GM? Well, I'll give you 10 things why I love the GM. I'm not going to do that right now. We'll wait for another video of that. But there you have it, guys. You asked for it. What I hate about them. Those are the 5 things I hate about them. Do I still love the truck? I love this truck. I will not get rid of it. It does not bother me. You know, the main things that bother me is not going to make me want to sell the truck. I just wish GM, please make your fenders round and not squared, so I can put bigger tires without trimming also. But there you have it, guys. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.